Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hi everybody, I'm Joel Ojeda, first year MBA student at Yale, originally from Arizona, been working in California, and now I'm here to learn a lot and excited to work with all of you.
Hi, I'm Zainab Aslam. I'm originally from Pakistan, but have spent most of my life in New York. I'm a dual degree candidate here at Yale with the School of Public Health, and it's my first year at School of Management. I'm really excited to be working with you guys on Littlefield.
Hi, I'm Chen, and I'm from Canada. I studied French and architecture for my undergrad, and now I'm a joint degree student with MBA and School of Architecture, and I'm super excited to be working with you.
Or we can say we prepared a little skit for you.
We prepared a little movie for you.
Please enjoy.
Please enjoy.
And here we have two Jedis preparing for the fight. That is Littlefield.
We need to join our minds.
You mean collaborate?
What? Please speak human.
You mean communicate effectively?
We're so excited to work with you.
Without a hologram device, we know this will be difficult.
But with good communication and good cooperation,
The force will be with us.